Good afternoon, everyone. My dear fellow members of the Isu Lafayette 3 Condominium Association Inc. or TEL3 CAI. It is a great pleasure to be here with all of you. Well, it's been 3 years since we last met in the 2019 General Assembly due to the lingering COVID pandemic. It has really been tough, most especially at the beginning of the pandemic when, lockdowns have been the norm. And it has been particularly tough for our very own frontliners in Lafayette 3. Some of them even have to walk a few miles just to be able to report for work due to the unavailability of public transport. April 2021 was particularly challenging when almost half of our staff tested positive during the Delta wave of the pandemic. And they have to be out of work for about 2 weeks due to mandatory quarantine. Well, no work, no pay for 2 weeks. Personally, even myself fell victim to the virus during the Omicron wave just right after New Year of this year, 2022. But now that most of us have been armed with vaccines and booster shots, it seems like the pandemic is on the winding down phase. Well, of course, fingers crossed. And now that the government has eased down on COVID restrictions, we finally took this opportune time to hold this meeting face to face for a chance to report what has been accomplished for the past fiscal years 2019, 2020, and 2021. And even updates for 2022 here at our home in the Isu Lafayette 3 or TEL3. Well, despite the lingering pandemic, we can confidently say that it has been a productive 3 years for us with the board, the property management FOPM, and our frontliner staff collectively working as Team TEL3. Despite the pandemic, through the concerted effort of Team TEL3, the association was able to comply with all the government requirements, implement systems enhancements through our property management FOPM to achieve, non-contact transactions for, because there's a pandemic around, such as IFA or IFOPM automated experience. Then providing also a system for providing for multiple payment options for the convenience of our members. And the association was also able to sustain the cost of maintenance, security, safety, and improvement of our valued property. The success cannot be achieved without your continued support and cooperation. And Team TEL3 is indeed grateful. And I would like to congratulate each member, service providers, management team, FOPM, and my fellow officers for the united effort for our association's fruitful years. I assure you, all of you, the board of directors will continue to serve you to the best of our knowledge for the betterment of our community. Also, we are, pursuing major projects in the near future, actually, even today, for a more comfortable and enhanced amenities. Still, continuous unity from the board, management, security, maintenance, owners, and tenants is what we all need today and tomorrow. Our common goal is to keep this building strong and steady. This must be our priority. When way back in 2017, I created this poster for the General Assembly, and the mantra then was, "We're building community at my TEL3 home." And 5 years hence, the mantra stays the same. We're building community, but this time at mytel3home.org. My TEL3 Home, tahanan natin po ito. Mga kwento natin ang nandito. So, sit back and relax. Maraming salamat po and mabuhay po tayong lahat. Thank you.